Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Tech Pick channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of pickleball paddles. We'll be checking out three incredible contenders: the Onix Z5 Graphite, the Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS, and the Selkirk Power Air Invikta. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or a seasoned pro, these paddles are designed to elevate your game. But which one is the ultimate champion for 2025? Stick around because by the end of this video we'll reveal the winner. Let's get started. First up is the Onix Z5 Graphite, a paddle that combines accessibility with high performance. Known as the most popular paddle in Onix's lineup, it offers exceptional touch and control, making it a great choice for players of all skill levels. Its tennis-style handle mimics the grip of a traditional tennis racket, providing superior comfort and spin during play. At its core is the Nomex honeycomb construction, which pairs with a medium-weight graphite face to deliver the perfect balance of power and ball control. Weighing between 7.5 to 8.2 pounds, the paddle strikes a balance between lightweight maneuverability and stability for solid hits. With its edge guard protection, the Z5 is designed to withstand rigorous play while maintaining its sleek design. USAPA approved, it's ready for official tournament matches, making it a versatile option for players from beginners to professionals. This paddle also features an enlarged sweet spot, which helps improve accuracy and consistency during intense rallies. Its reputation for durability ensures it holds up even under long-term competitive use. Whether you're looking to enhance your control or refine your gameplay, the Z5 Graphite is a reliable and high-performing choice. Next, we have the Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS, a paddle designed in collaboration with world champion Ben Johns. This paddle features Carbon Flex 5 textured surface technology, which enhances spin while delivering maximum power, giving players an undeniable advantage. The innovative Hyperfoam edge wall improves stability and expands the sweet spot for consistent performance, even on off-center hits. Its reactive polypropylene honeycomb core ensures predictable bounce and reduces vibration, making it an excellent choice for high-intensity games. The carbon-forged handle provides extra flex and comfort, allowing for powerful smashes and precise control. Additionally, the paddle's grip type is optimized for offensive players, ensuring confidence during aggressive rallies. Its advanced surface texture offers a longer-lasting spin capability, giving players an edge in shaping their shots. The carefully balanced weight distribution makes it easier to execute quick reactions at the net. With a design tailored for elite-level competition, this paddle is a game-changer for players aiming to dominate on the court. Finally, let's take a look at the Selkirk Power Air Invikta, a paddle engineered for players who demand versatility and precision. Its long handle and traditional paddle shape provide excellent reach and control, catering to both aggressive and defensive playstyles. The aerodynamic throat design enhances swing speed while ensuring smooth airflow and better ball control. Throat Flex technology increases dwell time on the paddle face, giving players added power and consistency in their shots. With Pro Spin plus next-gen texture, this paddle sets a new standard for spin, offering unparalleled precision for shaping your shots. The Quad Flex 4-layer hybrid face, combining FiberFlex and Quantum Plus Carbon, strikes the perfect balance between power and control. Furthermore, the 360-degree proto-molding and Aerodura Edge edgeless technology increase durability and sweet spot consistency, making it a reliable option for extended play. The injected flex foam perimeter absorbs vibrations, ensuring a stable and comfortable feel during intense matches. This paddle's aerodynamic design not only enhances swing speed, but also reduces fatigue, allowing for longer play sessions. Combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, the Selkirk Power Air Invikta is built to elevate your game at any level. And now the moment everyone's been waiting for: who's the winner of 2025? All three paddles bring unique strengths to the table, but one stands out with its pro-level features, unmatched control, and game-changing design. The winner is Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS. With its Carbon Flex 5 surface, Hyperfoam edge technology, and the perfect balance of power and control, this paddle is the ultimate choice for players who want to dominate on the court. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite pickleball paddle in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care and happy playing.